back.
We're
To
back.
the end of Evangelion. Like, look at this bullshit flying around in the sky.
Look at it, so Disney.
Yeah, so I've been playing a fuck ton of Death Stranding. And I have come across the character with the goddamn worst I have ever seen a character have it in life.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hey, fucking Mickey. I forgot you were here.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna run ahead. It's fine.
You know, I can't be around you.
Because I am God here. Have you thought of that? Like, Mickey's pretty much just God in this universe.
He's king. He's not God.
He is God.
He's at best just a Keyblade master.
So I gotta ask: is Kari?
There you are.
Is she like what Roxas was to Sora?
I don't fucking remember.
It kind of
I
looks
thought
like it,
I
though.
knew, but now I don't.
Come with me, little girl.
Come with me. Live with me if you want to come.
What?
You don't want that.
She's like, I'm like 12, and he's just like, oh! I don't know, they're like 14 or something now, I think.
Yeah, they're definitely in their mid-teens at least.
But I will get angry, because apparently even if I don't have feelings, I can still get angry. Kisama!
You can take it from here, Riku.
Oh my god! Sploosh.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god, it's a bat sword key.
Don't we get that or something at some point like, in the games? I don't know. Fuck you,
Bam.
nerd!
Ha! You didn't win?
Nerd. Is he like super tall now? Watch, he looks like he's 30.
There's a whole thing.
Riku, you really here?
Sploosh.
Oh! So,
I'm really confused. With
okay, so in Chain of Memories, Riku goes through the same castle that Sora loses his memories.
Okay.
But he's going with King Mickey. He teams up with actual King Mickey.
Yeah.
And as he's going up, he's like using more and more darkness to become stronger.
Okay.
And by the end of it, he uses all the darkness to become as powerful as he can, and he just assumes that form.
Okay.
Because of the darkness that was implanted in his heart by Ansem. He called himself Ansem.
Yeah.
And so his form just becomes, oh, I just look like Ansem now. Because I use all the darkness powers. He even gets a stand.
Does he?
He gets the stand for a little while.
That's awesome.
And I'm like, okay, just give me the stand.
These guys are bullshit, by the way. If they get you in the lot, if they hit you the first time.
Well, don't fucking get caught up in their pace.
No. Like what the fuck?
What the fuck?
And that
box.
I'm gonna get you.
These box mages. But no,
The ultimate style.
you meet a character named Heartman.
Okay.
And Heartman, during one of the void outs, it's like terrorist attacks, blew up a city basically.
Okay.
And so during one of those, his family dies. At the time of the terrorist attack, he was in the hospital for heart surgery. And dies for 21 minutes. And while on the other side, he sees his wife and daughter cross over, and then he comes back to life.
Oh, biggest dick move.
So now, every 21 minutes, his heart stops. And he dies for 3 minutes. Every day. Every 21 minutes, he dies.
Why is he still alive?
Because something happened with, like, you know, with the weird magic of the world, I guess.
Yeah.
So it's just like, oh yeah, every 21 minutes, I just die. and then I spend 3 minutes looking for my wife and child on the other side.
Oh shit. I'm guessing he's gonna find him in the end.
And then, whenever he finds him, he's just gonna die for real.
But he wants...
Because he wants to be with his family on the other side.
Yeah, that's kind of fucked up.
It's like, I'm like, that's the worst I have ever heard any character have it. Like, every 21 minutes, and he's just like, yeah, sleeping's a problem.
So, like, even when he's sleeping...
Yeah,
he just...
every 21 minutes, they actually has a readout of how many times he's died, and it's like in the thousands.
Shit.
And I'm just like, oh my god! That would be so horrible!
Yeah, it would. Considering you're also, like, tormented by, your fucking...
It's just family's gone.
1 second. There's... Oh, no, it's a belt. What am I doing?
It's a belt. Why would you replace the 4 one? Why wouldn't you replace one of the 3s?
I'm gonna keep the thunder one.
No.
Yes!
Denied.
Defense. There we go.
But yeah, it's really fucking weird game, and I really love it, actually.
I gotta watch some
Might
stuff.
be my favorite game of the year. I want to say.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you say... So, but you described it as a walking simulator.
Yes. And you just... Like, the story is intriguing, and what you're doing is, you know, you're basically a post-apocalyptic postman.
Which is kind of awesome.
And you're basically fighting against ghosts. Because the world of the dead has, like, kind of merged with the world of the living. So that now the world is just fucked.
Oh.
And it rains time.
It rains time?
Yes. Time is rained.
Huh.
So, as it's raining, anything the rain touches ages instantly. Like, a certain amount of time goes by. Like, one drop hits his hand, and where the one drop hits, it actually ages. One drops on a piece of his hair, and you see that hair turn white. Like, gray.
Yeah.
But, like, there's a one-off on the channel where I played the first, 2 hours or something, like an hour and a half to 2 hours, something like that. I just kind of kept playing it.
Yeah.
And, yeah, it's fucking weird.
Alright, what should I get here?
Both of them.
I can't.
Too bad.
I need money. I think we should get Goofy. So.
Yeah, probably Goofy.
Just look at his fucking strength after that.
It's a fucking helmet as a shield, I guess.
Well, I might be able to sell it and sell stuff again.
Well, you can probably sell their old weapons.
Yeah, let me get that.
How many of those do you still have?
Probably a lot. I don't know why I went there.
I don't know why you went there either.
Shield.
Yeah, look at all these fucking weapons you have.
Yeah, and know what? I could start equipping this stuff too.
That one gives them more strength. Is it drawing? No, drawing.
And then I don't need that right now. Oh, meteor staff, which is way better.
Meteor. Bam.
No, that sounds fucking.
But like at the beginning of the game, as it's going on, I'm like, because it starts raining and everything, and you see like birds flying, and then like they fall out of the sky, and I'm just like, you see them kind of like getting all fucked up. I'm like, oh my god, is it acid rain?
No,
and then they start talking later on, and I'm just like, it rains time? It's like, what?
Like, what? So, like, if he gets hit by it, then he starts aging too?
Yeah, which is why everyone has, like, these clothes that cover over them.
Oh, okay.
Because, like, if it's raining, the gear on your back, like, the stuff you're carrying, constantly takes minimal, like, small amounts of damage. Yeah. Because time is going by, so it's rusting and everything like that.
Yeah. Should I just sell all of them?
Yeah. I don't see a reason why. We keep it. Unless you really like them, I guess.
I mean, we'll be able to buy it, at least, so...
There you go.
Might as well just sell these two.
But yeah, it's super fucking weird. and you meet characters like Heartman and Deadman and Die Hard Man.
Die Hard Man.
It's so stupid because you start meeting all these characters and it's like, oh, it's Heartman. Okay.
Well, is it?
And Deadman is like, hey, I'm Deadman. I used to be a mortician.
Are they technically in a competition of some sort?
No. What? What the fuck are you talking
I
about?
don't know. Are they just survive? Is it just post?
It's post-apocalyptic.
Yeah.
We're having a game to see who can survive the longest.
You never know. You never know. Let me save before I do this.
But like, Deadman shows up and it's Guillermo del Toro.
Okay.
Not the voice actor. The voice actor is a different person, but they basically scanned in Guillermo del Toro.
Yeah.
Heartman is Nicholas Winding Refn, but not the voice of Nicholas Winding Refn. They scanned him in.
They literally just wanted to change. Am I gonna face?
Well, it's like his friends.
Oh.
He got his friends in the game because fuck it.
Sora,
Why not?
you've done well.
You have done well.
Nerd.
Where's Kyrie?
Who knows?
Wouldn't
I
you?
don't
I
fucking know.
expect she's catching up with her
I
friend
almost
from
got
the
my
darkness.
ass whipped earlier.
What do you mean?
She doesn't need you anymore.
I'm supposed to believe that?
Oh my god, he did believe the villain!
Have to.
There's a first for everything.
Well, I mean, this
You
is
can
actually
believe
technically
this.
before he starts believing all the villains super
Organization
hard.
13
Oh, really?
has no
Because
further
it's the
use for
next
you.
game that he's trying to become a
Just
master.
look there.
okay.
And that
Our
he
Kingdom
totally
Hearts.
believes everything the villain tells him in the next game.
Thanks to
Yeah, well,
you.
at least he lost his
You've
memories
collected
before
countless
this
hearts.
one, and
Can you hear
so
their
that's why he was
euphoria?
listening to them. But
Well, I mean, he
Now
didn't listen to
all
him
they
then.
need is one
Not right now.
more helping from the Keyblade bearer.
But later on, I guess I'll start listening again.
oh
Oh my god!
it's Heartless.
Dudes!
Guess what time it is? I'm probably gonna get Negasor to watch.
But
That
Kingdom
staff
Hearts.
looks
Shut up.
ridiculous.
I want your baby
Sorry.
inside of me! It's like, what? What?
Kyrie!
Ah, jobbers!
They're all over me.
I'm gonna get down there and help.
Both of her legs
Just
break.
dies. Oh, I can't do anything. I forgot.
Sora.
Why did you come down here?
Wait, so you can materialize from?
Here, take this, I guess. I found it.
Wait a minute.
I'll fight.
It has flowers.
You know Sora's completely
Like you.
hopeless without us. Come on, Riku.
God, he looks.
Eh,
And all of
eh.
a sudden, she knows how to fight.
Well, I mean, she's literally just swinging it like
Yeah,
a
it's
fucking
true.
bat. Like, there's nothing to it. And those are like the worst enemies ever. Ha
Never end.
What the fuck are you doing in my house?
We just made love. Wait, what?
Why, Pete, this castle is perfect. Perhaps we should acquire it.
Well, the setup is kind of nice, I guess.
It's kind of boring. I mean, there's
Yeah.
like nothing in here.
For this in-between world, it's way too close to the darkness. They ain't gonna listen to us here.
Once again, you underestimate me.
Says the woman who was completely overtaken by the darkness in the first game.
Yep. It's fine. I'm
It's
sure.
fine.
I'm sure it'll work out.
I lost
this time.
control and turned into a dragon, but it's fine.
And I died. I think.
I died for a second, but then my crow threw my clothes at the fairies, and I'm fine now.
Is like, can Mickey just do this whole game for me, just because he can hit
Why
one
is it
shot
he
everything?
fucking he flies away and does shit, but then he just doesn't seem to do anything. Although to be fair, he did get Riku out of fucking
That is true.
the darkness dimension. Oh hey, person.
Who are you?
It's that one guy from the beginning of the game. Oh. Christopher Lee.
Oh, hi.
You've been
Oh,
gone for
man.
like fucking 40 hours.
Let me just take this off.
Oh.
It's been too long, my friend.
Oh my god! That's
Ansem.
Ansem!
Oh, I could have never.
Sinless.
That's the real
organization
Ansem.
superior
Not
is
the
nobody
Ansem we
once
know
said
that was evil,
my
that took the
foremost
name.
apprentice. But
Huh.
Because the
I
Ansem we
am
know was the nobody of
someone. I don't know.
Terra, whose body had been taken over by Spock,
Deny there was more.
the true evil mastermind behind all of it.
Thoughts of revenge. My apprentices.
Shut up!
Know it?
It makes perfect sense.
My research.
You just don't know that you haven't met the actual villain of the video game franchise
It
yet.
might. They have. They didn't even do it in the first one.
Well, no.
Or the third one, did they?
Well, yeah, they finally introduced you to the video game villain.
His friends by now.
If you're playing the mainline games, it's
Riku
the
was a
third
great
one,
help
but
to
they
me.
introduce him in,
I
I
found
think,
him
Birth
wandering
by
in
Sleep.
darkness.
Is that the one where?
After you
Well,
and
they.
he
What's the?
lost
There's
track
a
of
cell
each
phone
other.
game one, isn't there?
No, that's not him.
We didn't
okay.
lose
That's
each
someone
other
else.
Exactly. Riku left.
Someone else
well,
entirely.
Because Xehanort's Heartless was still inside his heart, troubling him.
This hurts my brain.
And he sure must have been
Oh,
suffering.
Nort.
But what I don't understand is why he
See if
looks
I can
like
find
that
an
now,
image of
when
Spock.
he's still Riku at heart.
I am. to
There! You now have seen the villain of Kingdom
blame. I met
Hearts.
Riku the first time.
No, Spock is the
He's
true.
still
That is
a
actually Spock.
boy.
Is it?
It's the voice actor, but then whenever he
Because he had
died,
such a strong heart.
God, who took
I
over?
asked him to find a young man named Roxxor from Organization 13 and bring him to me.
Rutger Hauer.
When
Rutger
I
Hauer
told
took
him
over,
that
Okay.
Sora awakened
and then
from
he
his
died
slumber,
as well.
Riku
That
left
apparently whoever plays Xehanort just dies.
Well, I mean, they were both pretty old.
Yeah.
But the weird thing about
Never
Rutger
survives.
Hauer dying
Riku lost
is
that fight.
one of his first big breakout roles
Riku
was
must have
Blade Runner,
realized then the
Okay.
fight
which
in
took
the
place
realms of
last year,
darkness, he would have
I
to
believe,
immerse himself in that same
in
darkness.
November.
And when he did,
Was it
so
last year or was it the
came
year before that?
It was last year, I think,
when
2018.
Riku brought Roxas back to
know.
me, he was
But the
introducing
year that
himself
Rutger
as
Hauer
Ace.
died was the same year, technically,
That was
that
what it
Blade
took
Runner
to
took
defend
place
him.
in. So it was
That's
technically the
awesome.
same time that Rutger Hauer's character dies.
Riku
He
was
predicted
the
the
victim
future.
of my
It was the wrong month, but
same year.
it was the same year.
Yeah.
How my heart
Well,
ached.
to be fair,
only
let's
love
see. Didn't Back to the
hide
Future
my
predict when the
shame.
Cubs would win?
I guess
I
it
don't
must
know.
have been after that when I saw Riku again.
They predicted the
He said he wanted to
Cybertruck,
help
though.
Sora,
Yeah.
but
Did you
he
see
made
that?
me
No, I didn't.
There's like
see
a
that.
picture of one of
Promised
those
that
future
Sora wouldn't
cars.
ever
Oh, yeah?
find out
And it
about
looks
what
kind of like a
happened to him while he
Cybertruck.
was out in
That's
the
awesome.
darkness.
Maybe they just made it for that. It's like we need to make it.
Make it look like fucking Back to the Future car already.
I must make
By the way, what
amends
the
to
fuck
these
is going
young
on?
people.
He's got to fix everything
Okay, that's what I thought.
because he kind of caused everything.
You're
His research let evil Ansem slash Xehanort fucking cause all the problems.
Get off!
Oh,
Are we gonna fight now? The only thing I know about this area is that it's only so
What's
long
going
because
on?
there's like 5,000 cutscenes. Pew.
what the fuck is that?
Blows up.
Nerd!
That's actually pretty awesome. Who was that?
You've been a good boy.
Show
Oh, we're gonna have
yourself.
another boss fight, aren't we?
It's Zigbar!
It sounds like you haven't.
Not Xehanort?
Sora,
No, it's Zigbar!
Roxas?
Who is starting to be possessed
Did
by
you just call him
Xehanort.
Roxas?
What? He's being Norded.
Organization 13 in a pickle.
Wow.
I guess that must be why the Keyblade chose you.
Nerd.
But man, did it
I'm gonna
get
go
done this
surfing.
time.
Hang
You
loose,
don't
bro.
look like you're
He
half
sounds like a
figured out the
fucking
others
surfer.
Are you done rambling?
Shouldn't the water guy have been him
were.
then?
Rambling. As if. All I'm
Whatever.
trying to tell you, traitor, is that your time
I
is
don't feel
up.
emotions.
Why did he call him a traitor? He's not Roxas.
No. Well, it's kind of funny that it's the emotion thing again. You traitor!
Traitor! Whips out that fucking stormtroopers like bash club thing. All right, now fight the Zigbar.
Fight the Zigbar?
He's got the guns.
Oh, what am I doing?
Gotcha now.
I think you gotta keep moving, or he's gonna shoot you. Also, you can.
Am I supposed to hit it or something? Oh, there is a thing there. Okay, I see now. Okay, I pushed the button!
Excellent. Excellent.
Do I have to, like, block it at the right time?
You could probably press the button at some point.
I did.
Yeah.
Like it says break.
I don't see you pressing the button.
Triangle. Triangle.
You're pressing it after it goes away.
I got it. I gotta cure myself.
Jesus Christ.
Take one for the team.
He fucking sucks so bad, he's just coming down.
And now he... What? He has portal hands?
He's got portal hands. Okay, Goofy, could you fucking fight him for 5 seconds?
No!
You just walked underneath him.
I'm gonna strike. I gotta admit, this is probably the coolest one out of them all so far.
He's interesting. He's got, like, actual, like, characteristics.
Yeah. His weapons are kind of bullshit, but...
Well, he's got a gun.
Oh, I just... Okay. Oh, God!
I just find it really stupid that he's just standing on the ceiling for some reason. Negasaura!
I would get Negasaura.
Okay, you gotta fucking walk on the ground there.
I can't... I can't...
Would you just go over to where he's going to be? You know he's gonna teleport back here.
Yeah!
Ow, ow, ow. You did it. You also can send that one back to him.
Can I do it in this one?
I think so. Hup. Yeah. The block that you constantly say you want, and the dodge you never use.
No, dodge was the last game.
Reloading! He basically has a needler.
Yeah. I wish they would explode if they got enough in there. Pink!
And you still didn't do it.
Every time.
You're just like, I did one thing, that's it, right?
And then it
because it always ends after one every time.
Where the fuck?
There you go. There you go. You did it for a couple times.
Yay!
I want to heal. Goofy? Fucking...
He has the shield.
Anyone. Donald? Magic, maybe?
No, no magic.
You're just appearing. You're just above him.
Well, I keep hitting his things back when he shoots them, too. I can teleport too, nerd.
For small amounts of time.
Is that even doing damage to him?
Maybe if you actually continue to do it.
Oh, I keep pushing.
Keep going.
I gotta go around. I can't get out my combo.
You keep stopping to fight him here, and he always teleports away from you.
It's over.
It's over. I want to heal again.
Maybe.
Well, I'm glad that fucking your whole team's not taking any damage whatsoever.
Oh shit. He is not happy.
Okay.
It's not even locking on him.
Maybe you should block.
Oh god! Oh god!
Wow, Donald actually did something.
I literally can't do anything when he's doing that.
I want to fucking heal. Because he fucking wrecked you.
Yeah, I I probably can't block it somehow. You know what? Do I actually get my valid? No! I can't take the Sora!
Oh, he's going to this as well.
Oh, great.
And you can't do it. Yeah, just keep moving. Because you can't do command breaks while you're in this form either.
Oh, it sucks. This is the most epic of gameplay right now.
Yep. Oh, good job. Whoop. Don't, what are you doing? Fucking run.
It's locking onto me.
I know, but if you run straight instead of jumping or turning towards or away from the camera.
There we go. There we go. We're almost there. There we go. Alright, let's see if I can do this now.
You keep pressing it way too late. Press it when you see it appear.
There. I got it that time.
You finally did it.
I did it. Oh
because you're just like waiting for something, and then it goes away, and you press the button. Then, like,
you know what sucks about me blocking those though? Every time I do it, Donald gets in my way.
Because Donald is a waste of space and should die. You're dead. Unless you're gonna. Okay, I was just like,
you're gonna do that
here.
Ow.
You're really bad at timing.
Yep.
And dead. Oh, fuck. Damn it.
You really wanted me to die, didn't
I
you?
did. Fucking teach you a lesson.
Yep, for that deal with. Yay, Donald actually healed me.
Why do you constantly do this?
Well, it keeps going. Why does he keep going to negative? Oh, is it the area I'm in?
It might be that. It might be the sword you're wielding, because it's like got a higher concentration of changing.
Oh, I might die now.
I don't know why you keep trying the forms. Especially after the last 3 times you tried the forms and failed. Oh, it was fucking kind to you.
I still can't heal, though. And if I stop moving, I probably will die.
You'll probably die anyway.
Oh, fuck! Alright, no valor form now. I'm gonna check to see if that actually is true with the...
Just go. Just don't turn into the form.
I just want to see if that's what the item does. Light... Weapon has greater strength.
It doesn't...
Yeah.
It has a chance to turn... That's mainly giving you a higher chance to turn into your ultimate form. But I think it might just be... It's just fucking giving you that form because you're gonna be here a lot.
Yeah. Alright, see if I can get it the first time.
Because guess what? This ends a lot fucking quicker if you do the first one.
That one
You just stop moving. Still, it
Why
appears
is-
on screen right there.
There.
Look at that.
Did it.
Look at that.
Clever little sneak.
And then he stops.
If I just keep blocking, will... Oh, I guess if I were to stop and block everything, you would actually run out of damage.
So what do you think?
Man, I suck at blocking.
You do.
I'm not even gonna lie. Alright.
He's just staying away from him now for no reason.
There we go. Except for he just fucking does that. You gotta get good apparently.
Doesn't help that you take a couple of weeks off and then you're like, alright, now you got all the boss fights to do.
Yeah, I'm guessing there's more than this guy.
Oh no, this is the final boss, totally. Wow.
Well, I'm trying to get it, and it's not working. Obviously.
And also, don't you have arrow?
What?
Did you never?
I didn't put it in my top if I did.
Honk. Honk. Honk.
Time to reload! I'll put an arrow on it if I die, yeah.
And you just did that for no reason again.
Yeah,
Even though you know he only appears in the middle area.
I'm sorry, I get so nervous.
Oh, so I tried the Jedi Fallen Order game.
Yeah.
That's a fucking Dark Souls game.
Is it?
Yeah.
Huh. I did not expect. Okay, because truly I wasn't probably gonna buy it for the longest time. I just watched.
So yeah, like you get through the beginning part and you're like, oh, it's gonna be like a Tomb Raider or something, you know, with like, you know, because you have to do all the, you do a lot of jumping on and running around, you know, climbing on objects and shit.
Yeah,
and so you're like, oh, okay, so it's gonna be like a Tomb Raider or some shit, just with a sword. And then you get to your first area, and you like fight a couple monsters, and then you get to this little meditation shrine. You meditate, and it's like enemies will reappear, and I'm just like, fucking what?
Huh.
And then you get your little droid partner.
Yep.
Who is your Estus?
Yep. I've seen that.
And he shoots out little heals, and you take them, and I'm just like, what the what?
Yeah, I think. Did I watch the whole movie? The in-game. Like when they play through a game, it just shows all the cutscenes and the important parts of it. Can I actually block these?
Probably. There you go. You figured it out finally. Jesus Christ! I was wondering if you were ever gonna figure out just running around the outside
was gonna work.
Was going to work. Because it became every time you got in there, you're just like, well, I'm just going to eat all of the damage now. He's learned that just mashing triangle works.
Well, here he goes.
I want to do the thing again.
Sora can teleport.
Little sneak thief. You're getting there. Slowly but surely. It's kind of close to the Roxas fight, where once you learn, all you have to do is that one thing. You take away his Keyblade, and you just fucking wreck him then.
That was amazing.
But then, like, once you figure out one little thing, you're like, oh. Start running. Start running.
I can jump over those. Because if you get caught by like one of those, it will fuck you up just like it did right there. I think arrow would probably help though if I had.
Yeah, it's a lot of like small damage. Yeah, like, but nothing does like a lot of damage.
But it does a lot of knockback. That's
yeah.
the problem.
A point.
But even though I've been failing at this, it's actually probably the best fight out of all the bosses I've had so far.
Out of all the Organization 13, he's probably one of the better ones. Ow, ow.
Ow, ow. Goofy, get out of my way!
No.
Oh god, I'm gonna die.
He just stood there the whole fucking time.
I'm probably gonna waste all my potions. Once again, does it even do any damage with those spikes things?
I think it does damage, yeah.
Because I haven't seen this health bar go on. Ow. Donald, you are useless. I'm sorry. Like, he just healed himself.
Yeah. This is it.
Like, I can't block sometimes either just because of that.
Yeah, that's the main problem with the Organization 13 things, is just because they're just nothing but cheese. Like, it's just, yep, they're just gonna do all this shit.
I don't think I have any heals. And I just got trapped.
It gives you a small time of fucking invincibility as well. Yeah, like, I don't think it does too much damage, but it's something. And just decide not to go over to him. Giving him time to do this.
This Halo is invulnerable right there.
But yeah, and then they just start spamming moves like fucking crazy, and it just takes forever to kill them.
The spear one was bullshit.
But yeah, and even though he had just gotten hit by an ability, he's still like already shooting you by the time you're out of it.
Do Ether heal?
No, that's just magic. But I mean, you could use an Ether and then heal. That was, I don't, you completely stop moving just to do that heal.
And I can't. Good. I might just have to go into Valor form, and what if he does that again, just so I survive if I can.
Yeah, it will give you free health, and I think it even if you hit Negasora form.
Yeah, I think I'll do permanent nerve. And at least they can't move. It'll be harder to hit maybe.
Yeah, you're way faster. There you go. Just go for the attacks.
Oh, fucking teleporting bullshit. I should have my hero back.
Yep, you're at full health, or you're at full magic. So once it wears off, you'll be able to just heal instantly. There you go. Just go after him. You just stopped going after him.
Oh no, I'm waiting for these things.
You could have done way more damage if you would have just gone after him.
No, because he'd fucking teleport away.
He wasn't, though.
Yeah! Fuck you! He's so many resources. I'm gonna save my arrow, because that'd be... Take this!
Just wait till you have to fight the guy with the big sword.
Oh no.
That's the worst one, I think.